Hello students, we are back here to study surface areas and volumes. In the previous session, at the end we had studied regarding the value of pi. Pi is an irrational number. This we had studied in first chapter. So, when it is an irrational number, it is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Then when we use its value in our calculations here, we usually take its value as approximately equal to 22/7 or 3.14. Here we had concluded the previous session. Proceeding further, we shall study example 3. Savitri had to make a model of cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. Here you can see the figure of kaleidoscope. She wanted to use chart paper to make the curved surface of the kaleidoscope. See figure 3.10. Here this is this figure 3.10. What would be the area of the chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeter with a 3.5 centimeter radius? You may take pi is equals to 22/7. Understand the question carefully. Savitri wants to make a model of cylindrical kaleidoscope for her science project. Okay. She wanted it to make it from chart paper. So, the curved surface area, so what she wanted to use chart paper to make the curved surface area of the kaleidoscope, means this curved surface area, this is from the chart paper. What would be the area of chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeter with a 3.5 centimeter radius? The very important thing here is, it is what a cylindrical kaleidoscope. The main our studies are here. Cylindrical means cylinder, and for that, what are the dimensions that are given to us? Now, it has been explained to us that the chart paper, to make the curved surface area of the kaleidoscope, what would be the area of chart paper required by her if she wanted to make a kaleidoscope of length 25 centimeter with a 3.5 centimeter radius, and the value of pi is 22/7. Proceeding further, a radius of the base of cylindrical kaleidoscope R is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Height, that is length of kaleidoscope, H is equals to 25 centimeter. Area of the chart paper required is equals to curved surface area of the kaleidoscope. What is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? 2 pi RH. 2 into 22/7 into 3.5 into 25 centimeter square. So, it becomes 550 centimeter square. It becomes 550 centimeter square. What is 550 centimeter square? Area of chart paper required is 550 centimeter square. Proceeding further, now we shall solve exercise 13.2. Assume pi is equals to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. In the very starting, the instruction is given that pi is equals to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. Unless it is mentioned as 3.14, we have to use the value of pi as 22 upon 7. Okay, the first question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. What is 88 centimeter square? Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder whose height is 14 centimeter and the curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. What they are saying? Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Let us switch to the solution. Given height of the cylinder h is equals to 14 centimeter, curved surface area is equals to 88 centimeter square. Let radius of base of right circular cylinder is equals to r centimeter. What is radius? Let radius be r centimeter. Curved surface area is equals, what is the formula? 2 pi RH is equals to 88 centimeter square. So, 2 into pi value, it has been informed to us, it has been mentioned that use pi as 22 upon 7 unless and until it is stated something else. That is, if it is stated 3.14, then only you use it, else by default you are going to take 22 upon 7 for this exercise. So, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, h value is 14 is equals to 88. We want to calculate the value of r. Now, taking these all values are in multiplication, hence we are taking the reciprocals. 14 which is in the numerator, it is coming in the denominator. 22 upon 7 gets inverse 7 upon 22. 2 which is in the numerator, it is coming in the denominator. 7, here we can see the calculation. What the calculation is? Just a minute. I will, we shall start the calculation. So, what happens? It will be easy for us to do the, here the things are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 22 into 2 into 2 means 22 4s is 88 and 88 is here in the numerator. So, 22 1s are 4s are and this 4 2 into 2 is getting cancelled here, all the things get cancelled. So, what is the value of r? R is equals to 1 centimeter. R is equals to 1 centimeter. Diameter, what is asked? Diameter of the base of the cylinder is equals to 2 times r is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2 centimeter. What they are asking? What is the, find the diameter of the base of the cylinder, it is 2 centimeter. Proceeding further, let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. What is the next question here? It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. What is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base 140 centimeter. What it is said? Of height 1 meter. Height is 1 meter, dimension is given here. Base 140 centimeter. From a metal sheet. Okay, here the cylindrical tank is made from a metal sheet. It is a closed cylinder. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? how many square meters of the sheet are required for the same. Proceeding further for the solution, here you can see the figures that are present here. The metal sheet is coming in rectangular form and we are going to prepare a cylindrical tank from it. I hope you are understanding. We are preparing a cylindrical tank. What is given? Diameter is equals to 140 centimeter. Radius is equals to half of the diameter, that is 70 centimeter, or in meters 0.7 meters. In meters it is how much? 0.7 meters. Height of the cylinder is equals to 1 meter. Here we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Why total surface area of the cylinder? Because closed cylindrical tank we are forming, closed. Here you can see the surfaces wherever the, just now we had seen this figure. From this rectangular sheet we are preparing the cylindrical tank that is closed, means this upper circle is closed and the lower base one is also. Proceeding further, total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7 in bracket 0.7 plus 1. Here you can see 0.7 plus 1, it is not 0.8, it is 1.7. Why it is 1.7? Because this is 1, not 0.1, and this is 0.7, hence it is 1.7. So, 2 into 22 into 1 into 1.7, it comes to 7.48 meters square. We shall do the calculation here, so that the things will become much more clearer. 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 1, forget for some time there is decimal point, forget it. So, 44 into 1 is 44, 44 multiplied by 1.7, just ignore the decimal point while doing the multiplication. One decimal point we have ignored, but we have to consider it later on while the final answer we are calculating. 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, one space we have left, that one place. Now it is 1s are, so it is 44, 8, 4, 7. Now after the decimal point, how many digits are present? Here in 0.1 1 digit and in 1.7 1 digit, means total 2 digits we have to consider after the decimal point. So what we have to do? From right hand side count 2 digits and after that give the decimal point. Your answer is 7.48 meters square. This is the answer that we have got after the calculation. What is 7.48 meters square? 7.48 meters square metal sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. The cylindrical tank which is closed, how much metal sheet is required? 7.48 meters square. Okay. Proceeding to the next question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Okay. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. There is a metal pipe which is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. What is 4 centimeter? Inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Inner diameter 4 centimeter, outer diameter 4.4 centimeter. Okay. What to calculate? What to find out? Inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, total surface area. Let us switch to the solution. Here we can see the figure is present here and the cross sections are also been shown here. The outer diameter is 4.4, means the outer radius is 2.2, and what about the inner? Inner diameter is 4 centimeter. So, inner radius is 2 centimeter. Inner radius is 2 centimeter. Okay. Let us see the calculations. Length of the pipe H, that is H is equals to 77 centimeter. Inner diameter of cross section is equals to 4 centimeter. Inner radius of cross section is equals to 2 centimeter. Inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Therefore, inner radius will be 2 centimeter, half of the diameter. Inner curved surface area of pipe is equals to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius of inner radius of cross section is 2 into 77, that is length of the pipe H. After doing the calculation, 7 1 ja 7, 7 11 ja 77. So, it becomes 2 into 22 into 2 into 11 is equals to 968 centimeter square. It becomes 968 centimeter square. Next part of the calculation, length of the pipe, that is H, is equals to 77 centimeter. Outer diameter of pipe is equals to 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, outer radius of the pipe is equals to 2.2 centimeter. Outer surface area of the pipe is 2 pi RH. Here this R is denoted by capital R, and here this inner radius of cross section was denoted by small r, and outer radius of cross section is denoted by capital R. So, it is 2 pi RH. Proceeding further, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 into 77 means this becomes 7 1 ja 7, 7 11 ja 77, and 2 into 22 is equal to what? 44. 44 into 2.2 into 11. So, how much we are getting? 1064.8 centimeter square. After doing the multiplication of 44 into 2.2 into 11, we are getting 1064.8 centimeter square. We shall do one thing, we shall see the multiplication here. 44 multiplied by 2.2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 again, 4 2s are 8, it becomes 8 as it is, 8 plus 8 16, carry on, 8 plus 1 9. Actually, this is 2.2, we have not considered yet the decimal point. After getting the final answer, we shall place the decimal point. Multiplied by 11, 968 as it is, leaving one space again, 968. This comes to 8 as it is, 8 plus 6 14, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10. We are getting 10,648, but yet we have to consider the decimal point 2.2 after one digit. So, from right hand side we are counting one digit, and after one digit we are giving the decimal point. Now, this becomes 1064.8 centimeter square. What is this? The second thing that we have seen, outer curved surface area we have seen. Now, let us see the total surface area. Let us see the total surface area. We have seen the inner curved surface area, we have seen the outer curved surface area. Now, we shall see the total curved surface area. See what the explanation is here. Now, there are two circles of radius 2 centimeter and 2.2 centimeter at both the ends of the pipe. What it has been explained to us? There are two circles of radius 2 centimeter and 2.2 centimeter at both the ends of the pipe. Therefore, area of two bases of the pipe is equals to 2 times area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. What exactly they are telling? Area of two bases of the pipe is equals to 2 times area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Just now whatever was been explained to us here, the same here it is. We have seen this is the inner surface and this is the inner radius. It is 2 centimeter and this is the outer radius. It is 2.2 centimeter. So, what we have to find? We have to find, just a minute, area of two bases of the pipe, that is what? 2 times area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, because 2 times it is present. So, 2 in bracket area of outer circle pi, radius is capital R square minus pi radius area of I jumbled in saying capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. Agreed? So, pi r square, that is capital R, minus pi r square, that is small r. What is removed common? Pi is removed common. You can see here pi is the constant value which is removed. So, when it is removed common, 2 pi in bracket r square minus r square, that is outer radius minus inner radius, square it is. So, 2 into 22 upon 7 in bracket 2.2 bracket square, that is outer radius, and minus 2 bracket square, that is inner radius. 2 into 22 becomes 44 upon 7, 2.2 square becomes 4.84 minus 2 square, it becomes 4. Calculating further, 4.84 minus 4, it becomes 0.84. What it becomes? Please understand carefully. 4.84 minus 4. This becomes what? 0.84, because when this was minus, it is 0. So, nothing to be minus here. Now, here from 4 minus 4 we are getting 0.84. 44 upon 7 into 0.84, we are getting the answer 5.28 centimeter square. 5.28 centimeter square after doing the cancellation. Therefore, total surface area of pipe is inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of two bases. Inner curved surface area 968, outer curved surface area 1064.8 plus area of two bases 5.28 is equals to 2038.08 centimeter square. So, this is the answer of the third sub question, that is total surface area. Proceeding further, let us move to the fourth question. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It makes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. What is the situation? The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter. There is a roller whose diameter is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters. Let us switch to the solution. Here the ruler is. You can see the figure of the ruler. What are the dimensions given? Diameter is 84 centimeter. Radius is 42 centimeter. Length is 120 centimeter. Okay. So, radius of the roller 42 centimeter and length of the roller, that is height, is equals to 120 centimeter. Curved surface area of the roller is equals to 2 pi RH. Now, what role exactly it is? When once it is moving completely, this roller, it becomes the curved surface area of the roller. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 42 into 120. After cancelling, 7 1 is 7, 6 is 42 and we are multiplying 2 into 22 into 6 into 120. So, the answer we are getting after doing the calculation is 31,680 centimeter square, but it is required in meter square. Okay. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So, therefore, it becomes 3.1680 meter square. So, now area leveled by a ruler in one revolution is 3.1680 meter square. Therefore, area leveled by a ruler in 500 revolutions. Therefore, area leveled by a ruler in 500 revolutions is 3.1680 into 500. This becomes 1584 meter square. Now, this is what? This is the total area of the playground in meter square. This is the total area of the playground in meter square. I hope you are understanding this. What has been done? Curved surface area of the roller is been calculated. Then it is multiplied by 500. Now, why it is multiplied by 500? The reason is very simple. In the question itself it is mentioned, it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Hence, once the area is calculated, to that it is multiplied by 500 and we are getting the total area of the playground 1584 meter square, and this is the answer of the third part of the question. Oh no, sorry, this is only this area of the playground is been asked. So, here we have completed the fourth question. I hope you people have understood this. This session we shall conclude here. In the next session we shall continue with the next question from the same exercise. Till that time, you people take care of yourselves and study properly. Thank you.